Richa, and today I'm going to show you something old, something really special for me. So let's start the video without wasting any time. And subscribe too, because it really helps. Yeah, let's just dig into the video. Let's start. So ta-da, this is the drawing book, and it's actually a paper doll house. Surprise! Well, it is really nice, so I thought, why don't I show you all? Well, this drawing is made by my brother, and he was in first standard, so don't mind the drawing. And then this page, I thought to, make an entrance of the house, but I didn't. I'm lazy cause. And then here it goes. This is the living room, and I mean, it's quite nice, I was really small back then. I was 11, and I made that, so I think really good. Then this window, it's really special. Because it's removable. Like you can see, it's day, then ta-da, it's night. It's real nice. And then there is this lamp, which is quite, like this, and it's really good. Like, good job, little Richa. And then here, it's the bedroom of this little doll. Like, see her clothes, and she's bald, like shining head, And then it's quite nice, the outfit, style choice, not so great, but yeah, okay. And then here's the kitchen. Well, yeah, I know, so bad, but it's old. Then you can see the chair is broken. Well, the table is quite good, like this mind behind this, great job. Then these utensils are removable. Like, good job, huh? I'm impressed by my younger self. And then here's the oven, and it's broken. But let me just show you by fixing it for a second. Yeah, you see? Good job. Oof. And then here's the fridge. This looks so broken, so crusty dusty. I don't know what to say, but let's have a look. Here's 2 ice creams, and in the normal store there's many things actually. Well, did you see that big chicken leg piece? I don't know what my mind was, and this veggie section is empty. Like, what it is for? Then this is a jelly, I guess, and yeah, here's the chicken leg piece. Anyone wanna have it? No, you can't have it. Well, yeah, let's give the dolls some ice cream and have the 2 continue. Hey everyone, so I'm gonna make part 2 for the video because I'm lazy, It would take really long to edit the whole video, so I'm gonna make it in 2 or maybe 3 parts. So yeah. Let's just continue the whole story afterwards. Subscribe. Bye. Bro, being YouTuber is really hard. I wonder how YouTubers edit their videos.